Why do 90% of all medicines sound like cool wizard names?
'Tis I, Benadryl the Lich.
It is I, Zyrtec, the Almighty. You no match for Xanax, the wise, Mucinix, the mighty. Niagara.
'Tis I, Nightquill of the eternal slumber.
'Tis I, Ozempic, the Omnipotent. Behold, Tyrannical, the cleric.
Thy's all the clear.
Methylene dioxymethamphetamine, the mad.
Adderall, the all-knowing.
'Tis I, aspirin, the unbreakable.
Witness Tramadol the tyrannical.
'Tis I, penicillin, the ancient one.
You are beholden to Vaseline the uncatchable.
It's me, Laxative. Take cover. Miralax, the great protector of the rings. Placebo, master of illusion.
Behold, Pepto Abyssal, tamer of the depths.
'Tis I, Ambien, the dreamer.
Niagara, the razor of the once dead.